standard. So if you are here, you can connect to me, and I am going to discuss something about Virgatha project. Since nothing is available on internet and on YouTube, but I am going to suggest you some of the points that you can go through, you can make in your script, and you can just prepare your write-up. So if you are interested, you can just connect with us in a students club, and we are going to discuss something about this project. How are you all? Connect with me. My write-up is inspired through the life of Vikram Batra, martyr. If you want something, you can just be connected over here. How are you all? Kindly send a message to me so that I can come to know who you are. Kindly interpose with me. Introduce yourself. So this basically video is prepared, this session is prepared for the students who are going through the preparation of Virgatha project. If you need any point, if you need to prepare the write-up, you can just follow me, you can just ask me, and you can just be connected over here so that we can go ahead with our project, with our discussion. And kindly do send a message to me so that I can come to know who you are and what really you are looking for. After a very long time, I am able to connect with you people, and I am very happy to be over here with you all. How is life going on for you? How is weather over there at your place? It is very wintry over here, and it seems that winter are approaching before its time. Hi Lavkush, how are you? You are CCS student as so far I remembered. How is the study going on? For CCS students, syllabus is available. Send a message to me so that I can come to know who you are. Hi. Stay connected so that we can go ahead and send a message. Ask your queries. If you are having any query, kindly do send a message to me so that I can come to know your problems. नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू? नमस्कार लवकुश. नो क्वेरी. ओके. हाउ इज स्टडी गोइंग ऑन? पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? हाउ इज लाइफ गोइंग ऑन? जिंदगी में क्या कुछ चल रहा है? वेयर आर द अदर फॉलोअर्स, अदर स्टूडेंट्स?